Hi friends, this is Prasad. You're watching Power BI with Prasad. Today I come up with a new real-time scenario, which is like in-page navigation. Let me explain you what is in-page navigation, and then we'll go for the solution how we can. So let us suppose that I do have like three different pages. One is completely regarding the profit information, and a second one I do have completely regarding the sales information. The third one completely regarding quantity related information. But I don't want to have these many pages over here. I need to have all this information in one page, but again, same way how we are able to see in three different pages. So in one page, if you are able to like navigate to three different sections, that will call as in-page navigation. If you can see over here, which I created, so you can see all the things in this particular part regarding profit. And then you can see if I click over here, then you can see the sales related information. Again, if you can click over here, you can see quantity related information. Okay, you can do this particular kind of in-page navigation using bookmarks. Again, while using bookmarks, if you wanted to have this kind of a grade effect, how to do this one, and then what are the other styles that you can make it this in-page navigation, we'll also see in the end of the session. Before starting that, a small intro regarding our Power BI batches. Again, we teach Power BI and SQL. So we are starting Power BI with plus SQL new batch, which is full course of Power BI, okay, including one real-time project also, like from basics to advanced. And after that, we do have special batches for only real-time project for the people who already learned Power BI but doesn't have any real-time experience, wanted to gain that one. We have a real-time project batch also, which is starting very soon. So if you're really interested, learn with us a full course with Power BI and SQL, or only the real-time project. Okay, so you can contact us on this particular number, right? And then the full course will consist this particular real-time project batch project also in that particular full course. If you want to learn separately the real-time project, you can learn from here. Then we are on like Power BI with Prasad YouTube channel, which you are seeing. So please subscribe and then hit the bell icon so that you'll get the latest updated real-time scenarios and then webinars, interview questions, and lot of information regarding Power BI. And also like please join our Telegram channel. You'll get a lot of information over here there, and then a lot of referrals, and then like a lot of other things regarding your job search program also. Again, we do like a very good job assistance program also for each and every batch. So we'll tell you like how to like prepare your resumes, and then like how to prepare your profiles, Naukri, LinkedIn, whatever it might be. Again, people are telling no calls, but there are calls. How to get more calls? So this is also like okay, these things, and then like how to give your interview, a lot of things, terms, and then materials, a lot of things we'll provide in these batches. So please try to like contact and then join our like new batches which are starting very soon. So like the Telegram link is in the description. Try to like join there. So we'll go for the solution how we can make it. The very simple step is like I'll try to replicate this one. Okay, over here, this one. So first of all, let's go for this page, and then I do have three different visuals that I do have. First of all, I need to group them so that you can just simply copy rather than copying individual things. You can simply copy. So just let me control, hold it, and then click it, all the three things, and then right click, and then you can group it simply. Group. So once you group it, you can completely, like you can see over here, you can completely group the icon, group the visuals. So once you've done this one, right, you can rename that as like okay, profit group or CRP, GRP or something else, right? And then right now you can copy this thing. So entire thing, Control C, and then you can create it on a Control V. So I pasted it, and then I'll just make it hide for now. And I'll go for sales, and then I'll click over here. So let me take all the group. So Control C, and then let me take it into the same place. Okay, Control V. So I got it again. I'll just hide it. So again, after that, let me go for quantity, and then I'll take all the visuals which I already grouped it. So just click on that group, and then Control C, and then like here, Control V. You have all the three different groups, and then I'll hide it for now. And then you can take a shape which you really need it. So just let me it over here so that you can know like where you want to create. Okay, so just take a shape, right? Then I don't want to make this one. I want to take a normal rectangle shape. So let me go for the visualization format, and then this shape. I want to go for a normal rectangle, and then around like 15% of rounding I want to have for that. You can see. So whatever the color that you want to go with, so you can go with. Again, it's up to you, right? Okay. So let me choose some color over here. So if you want to have some other color, so you can go for the color palette and choose whatever you want exactly. So I do have another color that I need to work with. So let me go for here and then styling, and then so fill color. Let me change it to some other color. So just like I do have another color which I needed. So I just copied and pasted that particular hexa code. So which is this one, right? Rather than giving all these things and select over here, you can directly, if you have any color code, you can give it. Again, the same border also, I'll give the same color. So let me choose and then select over here. Same thing. So first of all, let me keep it over here and then make it as big as you need it. Give some spacing on the both sides, exactly how you need it. Maybe, and then send it to the back. Where you need to send, either you can send it to the back or else you can drag it from here to here. So you'll get that one. Right now you got everything over that. Able to see? That's fantastic. And then let me make it some naming convention. So busy, something like that. And after that, so what you need to do, you need to create some buttons, okay? And then you can work with that. So what I want to create, okay, I want to create a button, right? And then let me make it, okay? So just take the shape, and then I don't want to make it with a border. So let me color that one also, right? Okay, just let me take the color which I needed. So just took that color. So same color we have been using right now for this background. I want to use the same color. So I can go for styling, and then like, okay, so for fill. So I want to fill it out. So with the preferred color, which I do have already. So and then the same for border also, I'll take it. So I got it this kind of like icon again. Did I made it anything? So wrong thing. Okay, let's see that one. So the fill color might have been changed. White. Again, the transparency. You need to make it 0. So then you'll get the same color. After that, okay, I don't want that shape exactly the same way. So what I'll do is I'll go for here and then I'll make it like, 10% rounded rectangles, and then you can see like that. So exactly. So you can go for that properties, and then whatever you want to have, like you can make it. So I want to make it the width of that one to be like 130, and then height around like 50. So which makes me more comfortable. So yeah. So height and then width, and then let me write something in this one. So first go ahead and then on the title, and then make it whatever you want, and then make it into 14 points, so which will make more comfortable for you. I hope this is profit. So again, some spelling mistake, sorry. So let me make it. So profit. So once after done that one, so you can copy and paste that one. So Control C VB. I have 2 copies of that one. So let me keep it over here, and then again not this much distance. So let me keep it all these things very near. Then again, so click all these things, and after so again, so we need to align them. So first let me align to the bottom, and let me align. Align distribute horizontally. Gaps between all the 3 things will be like exactly the same thing. So I got 3 different things, but again, I do have. I need to change this text also. Else, again, after this one, so let me take this one. right? And then go for here and then like, okay, quantity, right? Quantity. So profit, sales, and quantity. I do have these three things. Let me group it so that you can have 1, 2, 3, and then right click and then group it, and then you can make it active buttons. So rename that one. So active buttons, group, something like that. After that, let me copy that and paste it. How you can copy? Either clicking on this group or else you can click on this one. First you click and then you can see it was highlighted, and then right click, Control C and then Control V. You have another copy of this one. So let's make it this one as inactive. So just rename that so that you can understand which one is which one. So inactive buttons. Again, so to keep exactly, okay, 1/1, what you can do is go for active buttons and then see the position of that one. So properties and then position. So 762.25, and then you can go for inactive and then 762.25. You can make it 762 and then 25 so that you can get both the things exactly 1/1. You can see right now, you can't see difference between them. So first, what I'll do, I'll go for I'll hide this active buttons so that I can see the inactive. So in the inactive buttons, I'll go for here and then click on the button, and I'll change the color to somewhat lighter, which I need to prefer like. So I'll go for that. Okay, so exactly, and I'll get some color code and then I'll paste it over there. So what I'll do, not for the text, but for the fill, I'll go for here and then more colors, and then I'll paste it whatever my preferred color. Okay, so I'll go for here, and then not only for that, for the border also we'll go for, and then do this one. For all the three buttons, you can make it. So click over here and then like color, so lighter color, then fill color, lighter fill, and then again the third button, so fill, lighter color, and even this one, so you can make it lighter color. Everything you made some lighter color. Okay, that's fantastic. And okay, in the active buttons, you can make, so let me hide the inactive and then let's make active buttons. So open that group and then you can go for the text over here. Okay, so the text one, so I want to make it like somewhat bolder. So you can see the bold one. Go for the again, the second one, choose the bolder font and then go here, the buttons, and then go for a bolder font. So I got like for active buttons, okay, we can see the border font, and then for inactive, you can see like, okay, a normal font, right? Again, what here, one thing that you need to do is the inactive buttons that you need to send behind the background. Behind the background, you need to send all these three things. So how you can make it? You can either click on this one, so entire group, and then go for format, and then go for, okay, so back, you can send it from here, or else you can drag this one and then keep it below the shape. So inactive group. So if I off this one, you can see that inactive group, which looks like that is behind that one. Then whenever you see like active group, okay, you can feel that that is inside this particular thing. So this is the key thing, okay, key visualization technique over here that you need to follow. The inactive buttons need to be behind the background, this background, the background that we've been taken, the rectangle, rounded rectangle. Behind that, inactive buttons need to be an active button. So here you need to understand one another technique. So by clicking profit, I need to get only the profit information. By clicking sales, I need to get only the sales information. By clicking quantity, I need to have only quantity information. So for that, you need to create bookmarks. While creating the bookmarks, you need to keep in mind, so which active buttons you need to show and which inactive buttons you need to show. Let me show you that. So when you want to show like profit, so profit need to be an active button, and then all other sales and quantity need to show like inactive buttons, which will looks like this. So let me show you that how it looks. So let me take this one and then again. So if you can, okay, rename this, that would be fine. So let me create this. So again, so quantity. So again, and rename this. That's fantastic. So again, this one. Again, what is this button? Let me click on this one, and then you can understand. So sales active button. Sales, right? And then So let's make it like this one also, like this one, profit. So you can understand which button is that one, profit, right? And then here inactive also, let me hide this one and then let me see like inactive buttons. So what is this button again? Quantity. Let's go for this one, quantity, right? And then go for this one, rename this one. So again, what is this one? Sales button. And then what is this one? So this is a profit button, inactive profit button. We got like even naming for the things also. Right now, so how it need to look when you are in profiting, when you are seeing, okay, so again, let me see that. So hope you are seeing the profit. So when you are seeing the profit, only profit active button need to be shown, and then all other buttons need to be hide. At the same time here, profit button in inactive, profit button need to be. So this right now, if you can see, like there is a small change. Whenever you are in the profit will be in the darker one, and then all the other two are in the like gray part, which will looks pretty good. And then people can understand, the user can understand that you are in profit, and then there are two other like tabs that they can look into. This is how you need to create. Again, for this, you need to create bookmarks. Again, already I have created a bookmarks. Okay. So again, I'll try to create the bookmarks again for you people. If you how to open the bookmark pane, so go for here and then bookmarks. You can see already created bookmarks. Let me create bookmarks again for you. So I'll go for here and then let me rename that as profit one. As I already created, I'm recreating that one. So go here and then uncheck the data and then uncheck this all visuals. So go for enter and then like make for a sales one. No need to create two kind of bookmarks. As I already created, I want to recreate to explain you. So I'm creating this one again. So right to explain you more detailedly, I'm trying to create one more time. So sales and what is this quantity? In this quantity, again, I'll go for here, uncheck the data and then uncheck all visuals. Right now we have 3 bookmarks and then we need to assign what are the things that you need to have in this particular bookmark. Again, profit, if you see like only profit group visuals I'm showing, I'm hiding the quantity group and then sales group. So sales group visuals and then quantity like quantity group visuals are hidden. The profit group has been I'm showing. In active buttons, I'm showing profit button and then hiding other 2 buttons. Inactive, I'm showing other 2 buttons and then hiding this profit button. This is what we do have. So what we are doing for profit bookmark. So click all these things except this shape, right? You can click all these things except this. I'm just clicking on the groups so that all the visuals in that will get selected. Right now, I'll just click update. That's fine. Then go for click on the sales and whatever you want to do, you can do right now. So go first, you need to click on the sales bookmark. And right now, so I want to show the sales, but I want to show the profit. So again, here also, like I want to like hide the sales, but I want to show the profit. And then in the group, I want to show visuals of sales, not the profit. Right now, I'll hide the profit and I'll show the visuals, sales group visuals. So once you're done, okay, everything. So you are showing active sales button and inactive profit and quantity buttons from here. This is what you need to do. Click over here, then here 1, 2, 3, and then leave this particular shape. And then you need to click on the groups. No need to click on individual items in the group. And then you can go ahead and then update over here. So you got the sales over here. Then go for quantity. And then again, do the same thing for quantity also. Here, I want to show the active quantity button, not the sales. Here, okay, I want to hide the quantity button, but I want to show inactive sales button and profit. Here also, I want to show the quantity group visuals, but not the profit and sales. So I'll hide those 2 things. So you can see all the quantity related visuals. Again, I'll control and hold all these things. Again, without like make a background, I need to like select the background because that is not moving at all. We don't have any issues with that background. Only these things are changing. We'll go over here and again, so come over here and update. Again, let's make it, okay, so quantity 1 so that you can have these things. right? So again, let's check what's happening right now. So use by clicking here. So profit, we are having profit visuals, then profit active button, and then okay, the other two like inactive buttons. You can see sales. You can see sales information, sales active button, and other two like inactive buttons. Then if you click on quantity, you can see quantity active button and other two like inactive buttons, and then like the quantity related information. So we made most of the part, but one thing that we need to do again, what is this? Once we are here, the user wanted to go for sales, then okay, navigation need to be done. Till now we created the bookmarks, but we didn't done the navigation. So what we need to do, by clicking the sales inactive button, the user need to go to sales information page. So for that, what we need to do, we need to give actions for inactive buttons. We don't need to do anything for active buttons. We need to, because we are already here in this quantity, which is active button. If we click over here, again, no need to change because we are already here in the quantity page. We need to go for sales page and profit page if they click it. So we need to go for inactive button, sales button, and then I need to give the action, which is nothing but bookmarks. And then what we need to select, sales one bookmark. You can go for profit, and then this button, inactive profit button, and then give action. What we need to do, select the bookmark, and what is that? Profit one. Right, again, if you select some other things like, okay, sales, go for sales. And then here you can see this quantity available. Okay, so earlier it was not available. If you go for sales, right now you can see sales inactive button hidden, and then quantity and profit are available. You can see right now for the quantity bookmarks, and then quantity one, right? So again, if you see profit already have been given, so that is where it is working. So by clicking this right now, it will work. Let me close this one and check it once again. Everything is right. Profit, sales, then quantity, perfectly working. So right now I'll show you like why I'm in quantity right now. Let me click on profit, like control and click. You can go for okay profit, then control and click on sales. You can go for there, and then you can control on quantity. You can go for there. This is what you can do in like in page navigation. Okay, like when you have 3 pages, so all the information in 3 pages, you can group it and then take it as a group and then copy it over here. And after that, how many tabs, how many pages you have, those many tabs, you can create it over here. And after that, you can delete these profit, sales, and quantity page. And then you can have only one page with 3 different information in 3 different pages. And you can able to navigate as you are navigating to different pages. Again, how many types of like in page navigation you can create? You can create unlimited kind of page navigations, okay, models over here. Let me show you one another model that have been created for you people. So this is another model like sidebar, okay, page navigation. Okay, so how you see in your diaries or something else. Okay, so earlier this is a folder kind of page navigation. Again, so this is a diary kind of page navigation, right? So same things you can create using trapezoid in the right side. So align it, and then the trapezoid you can rotate it into 270 degrees, so you can get it. So width and all the things are the same. So you can, however you want, you can select it, and then right now hit go. If you click on sales, you'll get the sales, and then if you click on quantity, you will get the quantity. Again, you can do like unlimited kind of like varieties in this inline page navigation, in page navigation, right? Hope you like these videos, and then I'll try to create a next version of in-page navigation kind of things very soon. So try to like subscribe, and then hit the bell icon so that whenever I get new updates, you'll get notified. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, okay, please hit the like button and then share it to your friends and then a lot of Power BI groups so that it will be useful for some other people also. At the same time, if you really wanted to like learn Power BI with us, you can just contact this number either to get full course or else only to get the real-time project also. We are starting our new batches for both the full batch and the real-time project also. Just contact on this number to have an information on that one. Thank you so much for today. I'll sign off, and then again, we'll come back with another interesting scenario. Until then, bye bye. Have a great day.